won the second, and today we're doing our first series that should have to be a success, which is called Rallies of Cartoonia Race Slide Thingamabob. You know, I'm not going to even give it a name. It's just going to be slide races or just races, train races. That's what we're going to call it. And guest starring is Friend. Say hi, Friend.
Hi, Friend.
No, you're saying.
Hi.
His name is Friend because I can't announce his real name in public. So yeah. So here's our matches: Gordon versus James and Diesel 10 versus Gator. Up first, Gator and Diesel 10. Whee! Ready, set, go. Ow! I think we should redo that race just in case. Also, that got my butt wet.
Stand to the side.
Go. I have to say that was... Which one was on that side?
Gator.
Yeah, then Gator won. He was up first. No, not yet. Diesel 10 goes on to the... he goes back up there. Yeah, just take him. And then Gator goes on to the next round.
Okay, you can stay right here.
Alright, here's Gator.
I got it. Okay.
Alright.
Ready?
Next round, Gordon versus... Oh, wait. Gordon versus James. Whee! Alright. Oh, I lost my shoe. Alright. Let's do this. On your marks. Get set. Go.
I have a feeling James won.
Yeah, that was definitely James. Sorry, Gordon. Gordon actually might be faster than James in real life, but because of James's non-connecting wheel thingies, axles, that's why he won. That was the only reason.
Okay, I'll put him on the other one up there.
Yeah, so it's now... Oh, you can say it, you can say it.
Next match is James
versus
Gator.
I'm gone. And go.
James won that.
Yep. No, as a gratitude, we're putting all the trains down the twisty slide. I'm faster than you. Alright, so...
Okay, some trains.
Okay, shush. I'm going down the slide. I'm going down the slide. I'm going down the slide.
Oh.
I'm ready. I'm filming.
So I'm going to put one train at a
No,
time
we're just putting all of them down.
Okay. When you get to one.
First go James. First go James as the winner. So we're going winner to loser.
Okay.
Who lost first? Then Gordon, yep. Then he's a 10.
How did they do?
Yep. Well, James is 10.
James won.
Yeah, James won that.
James.
Anyways, Bobby Crit won the second and Friend out.